How to set up Siri on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's dive right into it. There are two basic ways for you to set this up. First of all, from the middle of the iPhone, swipe down with one finger and search for Siri. Then on top, tap on Siri and search. Now to set up Siri, the easiest way for you to do that is to toggle on press side button for Siri. Right here. So we will do that. And then at the bottom tap on Enable Siri. Now when we go back to the home screen and press and hold the side button on the right side of the iPhone, the Siri assistant will be started and can be seen here at the bottom. You can now talk to Siri. Hey Siri, please set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, counting down.
Works like a charm. Now if you set up Siri like this, each time you want to use Siri, you will have to press and hold the side button. If you would like to activate Siri using a voice command though, then you will need to set it up differently. Let's have a look. Once again, we will go back to the Siri settings. And we will toggle off press side button for Siri. And we will now turn on Siri again, but this time by changing the Listen For setting here at the top. So when you tap on that, you can then either choose Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. These keywords will then trigger and activate Siri. So that means that you can use these voice commands to start Siri instead of using the side button to activate Siri. So let's say I would like to use Hey Siri, so I tap on that. And at the bottom again, I will have to tap on Enable Siri. To finish the setup, we will need to speak some voice commands to help Siri recognize our voice. So let's do that by tapping here on Continue, and then we will start talking a few sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set the timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Once you get the message Siri is ready, you can tap on Done and you're good to go. Now when we go back to the home screen, we can use these voice commands to start using Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Biel, Switzerland today?
There could be some snow in Biel today.
Interesting indeed. And this is how you set up and use Siri on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.